Beware of strayed, haven't you? With your ears.
We must fight together now, or die.
Doesn't stop.
We started.
Everything you did brought you away. Home.
They're coming. Neil.
Here at Oxford, we have to work to be a writer.
Oh, here we go. Vera, stop it.
Ellie, all these romantics aren't good for you, you know.
Brave. But above all else, be loyal to your home.
Something like this, I can't let others do my duty for me.
Asia will never be new again. Our youth has been stolen. No more fear.
They spelled California wrong.
California.
I'm looking for 123 and a half.
So what do you know about immigration law? Field cases are always the best teacher.
I'm Judy Wood. Judy Wood.
Miss Ishwari, I'm Judy Wood, your new attorney.
If we can prove that, then we have a very good case.
I wanted everyone to know that girls should think for less.
Her male relatives become duty-bound to protect their...
Rule against you.
We need to look at every case, every legislative commentary.
I had all your love because you save it for your clients.
We're a nation of immigrants, like my father.
What is it when you really hear monsters? Once the fear to see. Take it day by day, just breathe.
You can't.
There's something to believe.
Terrorist leader Adam, the most serious failure in the organization's...
Get in.
You lost their #1 most wanted.
Sir Harry Pierce, I want to...
By someone at the very top of the service. By what?
I was in MI5 do well. Sooner or later.
He tried out to play Spider-Man for Marvel at a very potential casting confirms that the new Spider-Man who eventually takes over the Spider-Man mantle in the comic books.
I'm gonna leave this place soon.
And you this day.
I've been searching. An order of noble knights combating the forces of dark.
They've all died. We are all that's in the world now, where legend and nightmare are real.
What the hell is that?
If you see a witch,
Listen, I'm not like you.
For inwardly, they are ravening you from those wolves. And I have strayed, haven't you? I know you're there. And
Why do you let him do this? I love him!
Never gonna stop, is he?
you should know that by now.
Prayed for help, wished for death, forever lost, still waits.
My God, he's gonna stop.
Name is disgraced. My friends and family are
Plotted the murder of the king.
Enough! We are. I am Thomas Winter.
My name is Guy Fawkes.
And I will blow the king to hell. My wife is dead. Fawkes will light the fuse. Will blow the king and all his men.
Way to find a husband.
I'm not getting married.
Don't worry. At a place at Oxford.
We were born to make a mark on the world.
18. There are boys from the town who've already signed up. How many generations get the chance to be involved?
It's as close to him as I can get. I need to be there again. Our youth has been stolen from us.
Love and you.
This is my promise to you.
Let's agree.
No more fear.
Etc. Why don't you just back it all the way up to how things start?
Sorry.
My mom and I, we were barely speaking.
We'll get photo approval, right, boy?
Yeah, and you're getting a pony for
Love.
I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
I wrote a letter to John F. Donovan about 5 years ago. It was we'll act in movies together.
Rupert, you made up that story. Write letters to that kid.
Do you have a pen pal?
Never to write to that man again. Do you understand?
This is about us, as a society, what we want.
I feel like I've done someone else's place. Ma, can I stay here tonight?
You can stay here for the
Dear Rupert, friendship.
Terrorist leader Adam Qasim, the most serious failure in the organization's history.
Get in. 3 encrypted phone calls. To you.
Last, you lost their number 1 most wanted. Find Qasim.
You might have got to Harry somehow. Turned him.
By one of the people who asked you to track me down.
If you can do good, or you can do